Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the LG OLED G3 with the Samsung S95D and what are the main differences between these two. So when we just look here on some important things that are both OLED. Now with Samsung, this is going to be important, is that with Samsung supports VRR, and which is basically like G-Sync without marketing. Now this is the first thing. So if you're looking for the G-Sync support, the Samsung is the way. Now the one thing I must say that if you're gonna choose the LG or Samsung, between these two, you're not going to make a mistake. Even when you're gonna look here on an overview of the mixed usage TV shows, sports, video games, HDR modes, HDR gaming, PC monitor, like these two are beasts, to be honest. So you can see right here, the contrast picture is amazing on both. The blooming is great. Also, the contrast and dark details in the game mode, also great. And when you look here for the HDR hallway photo and many other things, it's just like both of them are good. So I just want to make this quick video. Now, many people report this like Samsung is buggy comparing to LG, that LG got the best OLED panels. But based on reviews and things like that, what I perceived is that they're both good. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.